Hey, it's Kat. So let me take you into the back office of Get Fearless Freedom so you can see some of all the many things we get inside of the fully automated system for your financial freedom and time freedom. Here is the dashboard. You have a great getting started training, then the callback process. Let me show you what's in the first level of Get Fearless Freedom. So the first thing, you can create your own capture pages. It's really simple. It's it's 3 clicks, one, choose one, next one, and then you choose one of those buttons, and here you go, your capture page is already done. So let me show you how this looks. Here are some of my capture pages I have saved. There are so many you can choose from or also change them. And you won't believe, but these simple white capture pages work like crazy. They convert, people opt in. I have such great opt-in rates, and that means you build your list massively. You build your campaigns. That's here. That's where I have my categories and my different campaigns. They are fully loaded with. You have the option to create up to 5 branding pages, so people get to know you before they get to your website, which is really fantastic. So 5 branding pages, that's like unheard of. Then what's also included already in the first level is fully automated emailing system. That means you don't just get the autoresponder, but you will also get emails sent out for you. You don't even need to send the emails. The owner was sending out emails almost every day to all of us on our list, although she has no access to any of our people inside of the list. They are on your list and nobody else's. So you really work on building your list and making more sales over and over again. That's included. You get a include also is a paid email account, which you now need to send out emails as in an autoresponder and newsletters. You can't do this from your personal email account anymore, your Gmail or whatever. So you get your paid email address all included already in the first level. Of course, the affiliate payment is in. You set up your payment information. It's a member-to-member payment, master resale rights, so 100% commission directly into your bank account or however you choose to get paid. If you choose the next level, that's the mastery level. In addition, you will also get the Craigslist autoresponder, which is priceless. Nobody else has a Craigslist autoresponder. This is something very unique, and you wouldn't believe how many people visit Craigslist every day. There are more visitors on Craigslist than on Netflix. Can you even believe it? So this is a great opportunity to not just sell, get fearless freedom to people who are looking for business opportunity and to make money online, but even to businesses who advertise on Craigslist and have a hard time responding, because it's a lot of work to by hand respond to all the inquiries businesses get from their Craigslist ad. So here the autoresponder is automatically following up with people who reply to your Craigslist ad. So that means you can start making $500 over and over again, one time a day, or maybe multiple times a day. So I would like to know how that would change your life if you made $500 multiple times a day, every day. I would imagine that makes a big difference, and you can start doing the things you really love to do. There are several other things included. There is a lot of side hustle tips and ideas, including auction arbitrage and discount gold buying, so you can make real nice extra income inside of the mastery level. And of course, a lot of training is included in this level. The video marketing, you get great tips on video marketing, how to master the algorithm for Facebook and other social media platforms, and how to run click traffic. And of course, in addition, there's a lot of general training inside of the back office and specialized training. It's so much. Tammy has been working online for over 12 years, and all her wisdom and knowledge and experience is inside of this back office to get you up and running within just a few days. just as an example, I'm not even, as you noticed, not even a native English speaker. Even I made $1,500 in my very first week of joining. So that shows you it's very possible. And I can't wait to help you get started and make your first 1,500, maybe 2,000, $4,000 in your first week. And yeah, I can't wait. It would be such a pleasure. All right. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay always informed on any updates I give you. And I always have some special perks. So if you join real quick, I have great bonuses to give you. I have free traffic to run. I have a fantastic social media tool. I can, depending on the level you decide to join, I can give you for a month or maybe even for 3 months. So let me know when you want to get started. Hit me up. I'm here for you. Just go to blitzincome.com and let's go.